Hello students, so today we are at BIMTech, which is Birla Institute of Management and Technology, and as we all know, it is one of the dream campuses of students who are planning for their management program. So चलिए आप सबकी queries और doubts clear करते हैं कुछ students से बात करके. Hello students, so we have another student here with us. Can you please give us your introduction?
Sure, Shabnur. I'm Vasundhara Gupta, currently pursuing my PGDM here at Birla Institute of Management Technology. Okay. I'm also a part of the media conduit here. Our core task is to record interviews with CXOs, CEOs that we invite here on campus. So that's that.
Okay, so great. Okay, so Vasundhara, I have one question for you. How well do you think BIMTech prepares you for the corporate world?
All right. This is a vast question though.
Yeah.
So any B school for that matter, as this, you learn to handle a lot of stress.
Yeah.
You're constantly trying to manage deadlines, you're constantly trying to make PPTs, come up with ideas, and showing up every day, right?
Yeah.
So in the long run, when we are managers, somehow all we are trying to do is manage stress, trying to manage deadlines, streamlining tasks, coming up with ideas. So any MBA, all the buzz that is there ki आज अभी 2026 में MBA करना is not worth it and all. Please, it's a sham. You come to an MBA school and you would know these people that I'm actually studying with 20 years later, they'll be probably CXOs, CTOs of great companies, right? This is the last time that I'm actually in with a bunch of 60, 65 odd people from my class that I can actually network with later. This is a networking place. This is a place where you learn a lot. You get to know what is going on in the industry so that you can be great leaders and great learners in the end.
That's true. What a wonderful answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so students, we have another student here. Can you please give us your introduction?
Sure. I'm Arushi Malik, currently pursuing PGDM International Business at BIMTech Noida. And I'm a part of Media Conduit as well as a club meteor. And I'm glad to be here.
Okay, so Arushi, right? Arushi, I have one question for you. How's the student diversity here in BIMTech?
The diversity here is amazing. We have people coming from all cultures, backgrounds, regions, states. I myself am from Mumbai, studying in Greater Noida.
Yeah.
I have people in my class who are from Kashmir, who are from Uttarakhand, Gujarat. Many of my peers are from Madhya Pradesh as well. So different walks of life and different levels of work experiences. And all of us make a great team and learn a lot from each other every day.
That's nice. Okay, so students, we have another student here. Can you please give us your introduction?
Yeah, sure. So, hello everyone. My name is Shubhangi Sharma. I am currently pursuing PGDM International Business from Birla Institute of Management Technology, batch 25-27.
Okay, so Shubhangi, I have one question for you. How does your day look like here in BIMTech?
Oh, so my day at BIMTech is like a day at any other B school. It is very packed, hectic with all the assignments and deadlines to meet. We are on caffeine 24/7. We rely on caffeine. So if I have to start with, we have our classes from 9:30 to 5. Sometimes if we have extra classes, we have our classes till 7 also, followed by various club and conduit meetings. So it is very hectic, and in between we have our assignments, class presentations, and till the end of the day we have our assignments and presentations and tasks for the next day. So we have many deadlines to meet. It is very hectic like any other
B school.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so students, we have another student here. Can you please give us your short introduction?
Sure.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm Shambhavi Singh. I'm currently a PGDM International Business student of the batch 2025-2027.
Okay, so Shambhavi, I have one question for you. How would you describe the teaching methodology here in BIMTech? Like, is it more theory-based or is it more practical?
Okay, so I would say it's a mixture of both.
Okay.
So it's not just that they're teaching us theory, but some subjects are kind of theoretical, so you cannot push it into the practical manner.
True.
But we are taught using case study, and even we are given the industrial exposure and the exposure we need. Like we visit there are industrial visits, and as we are international business students, so there are many port visits for us. be it either national or international port visit.
Okay, that's nice.
And I would say that a lot of faculty here are really nice, who give us a really good industrial exposure, as they already have worked in the industry.
True.
So they bring a really great insight for us and tell us how the things work and like, you know, how to be in there.
Yeah, true.
So, yeah, so I would say it's a mixture of both, and it's kind of nice because sometimes you need theory and sometimes you need the practical viewpoint of things.
Exactly.
So, yes,
That's nice. Okay. So students, we have another student here. Can you please give us your introduction?
Hello, I am Gautam Parda, PGDM student at Birla Institute of Management Technology, batch of 25-27.
Okay. So Gautam, मेरे पास आपके लिए question है. You know, to succeed here in BIMTech, what are the soft and hard skills that a student should have?
तो मेरे हिसाब से मतलब जो हार्ड स्किल होती है वो एकेडमिक्स में आप बहुत अच्छे सीख जाते हो. जैसे STP हो गई मार्केटिंग्स में, BCG एनसॉफ्स हो गए, और फाइनेंस में आप लिक्विडिटी रेशियो, ये सारी चीज़ आप प्रैक्टिकली अप्लाई करते हो यहाँ पर. और जो सॉफ्ट स्किल की बात होगी, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसा है एकेडमिक ग्रुप बने, तो उसमें जैसे मैं लीडर हूँ मेरे ग्रुप का, तो उसमें हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी है. जैसे बहुत सारे पीपल्स डिले करते हैं चीज़ों को, तो हमको उनको मनाना होता है, ये करना होता है, ये सारी चीज़ें, कम्युनिकेशन इंक्रीज होती है आप सबकी. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी है जो आप यहाँ आके सीखते हो. और बिमटेक में मैंने आने के यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपने में इम्प्रूवमेंट लाया विद इन 4 months.
Okay, that's nice, Gautam. Okay, so students, we have another student here. Can you please give us your introduction?
Hi, my name is Raj and I am the first year PGDM student here at BIMTech, Greater Noida.
Okay, so Raj, मेरे पास आपके लिए question है. You know, to sum up your experience of BIMTech in 1 minute, what would you say, like to other students?
I am here at BIMTech for the last 6 months and I can say that it's like just another B school, but with great experience, great fun, great clubs and conduit activities. We just had our Diwali vacations, and when I go to home, I just missing the friends here at BIMTech and the activities and the fun schedule that we have. Fun and at the same time it's very packed, very hectic, and but it's a part of I think corporate life.
Yeah, true.
In
So you
today's-
still make time to have fun, right?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, okay, that's nice, Raj.
Any other residential college.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
thank you, sir.